I'm going to change a valve stem on this lawnmower. I already took the valve stem out. Normally you use a valve stem puller like this that you can get at any farm supply store that carries stuff for tractors and whatnot. But the problem with my valve stem was the middle part here broke and came out. So that would not have worked. I just squeeze this thing down the tire like this, and I grab the butt end of that with this crimping tool. Wire cutter, pliers that you can fit in there, whatever it takes to grab a hold of this, squeeze it, yank it out of there. And if you need to, you can put some lube on this, spray some WD on it or something to pull that out. So I just need to clean this a little bit on the inside and the outside. When you go to buy a new valve stem, note that there's different sizes that pulls through. This one is slightly bigger than this one. I'm hoping this one's just worn down from age, but I'm going to try it. It should go in there. Hopefully it's not something special on lawnmowers. This is for cars. Let's see if it fits. It's slightly longer too, but it should be okay. But the other size is a lot bigger down here. This part in here is actually about the size of this, and this part's bigger. So let's see if this will go in there. Put a little tire mounting lube on there, or soap, whatever you got handy. Let's see, is it going to be even possible to do this without... These camera glasses are falling off my face, so I apologize if I'm not getting this in the picture. A little easier on a car tire, but this does fit. It's a good size for it. Looks like I may have to pull the core to get it to air up. Well, first let me try it with this one that hangs on. This one has little threads in the end of it, and that'll hang onto the threads onto the core, onto the stem. With this one that won't stick to it. Oh, I got dirt in here. Man, the whole tire's full of trash. I have to seat it with take the valve core out to seat it, but this is going to be very tricky because the tire could explode so easy when it's this small. So we don't lose it. Well, first let me try it with this one that won't stick. The core out, we just might be able to blast enough air in there. There it goes. We got it. Sorry if I'm getting bad video with these glasses, but I got to hold my head sideways to do this, and they're just falling off my face. I do not like the design of these video glasses. They do not make one for making videos. They're trying to make them inconspicuous to hide the sneaky people to steal video. And that's not my purpose. If I could just have the miniature camera that I can clip onto my regular glasses or sunglasses or safety glasses with a wire going down to the rest of the camera unit down in my pocket somewhere, that would be perfect. But they don't make it that way. That's too practical. Leak over here now. Maybe a little more air pressure will fix that. Really needs to be broke down. Looks like I got to go ahead and do this tire anyway because it's leaking too bad. I can hear it. And this tire being that small, that air's not going to stay in there very long. As long as it's not too rusty, and this wheel still does have white paint on it. But I'm kind of feeling through the rag with my fingers, and it feels pretty smooth all the way around on that wheel. So hopefully that'll do it. Put just a little tire lube on it because that'll help seal it. a little bit. I pretty much did this side a while ago when I was changing the valve stem. Have to put a ratchet strap on it. I gotta fix the seal inside that thing. It's leaking. Everything leaks around here. Don't squeeze that down any more than you really need to, because as soon as you put air in it, it's going to get real tight. Might make it hard to get it off. Well, it's seated anyway. That's the thing, you just can't put a lot of air in it and put this on. Putting the wrong part on there. I don't have my glasses on. Because it just doesn't hold enough air to have any residual pressure. Yeah, that'll work. And all you do it yourselfers, you got plenty of these ratchet straps you gotta have. If you don't have ratchet straps, go to the store and get some. Because you need them for everything. You don't need to watch me put it back on the tractor. While it's off, I'm going to grease it though. Grease the rest of them too. Thanks for watching. Forgot to show the test. I just put soapy water on here and it's not leaking. We got it. All right.